Hello everyone. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Madge, and for today's video, i-update ko kayo regarding kay Coinbirds and paumanhin, and I'm really sorry for my last video regarding kay Coinbirds dahil kung mapapansin nyo, medyo hirap ako magsalita that time na parang sabi ng iba is lasing ako. So I don't drink alcohol beverages. Pero that time kasi I'm not feeling well, nag-dry yung aking lalamunan, so kaya nahihirapan ako magsalita. I'm really sorry. So ngayon i-update ko kayo, so gagawin ko na lang din ito another video about kay Coinbirds. So ito yung magiging parang tutorial ko for Coinbirds. So as I promised to my last video, try natin. So try natin maggawa ng account through mobile data para unique IP address. So mobile data yung gagamitin natin, and then check din natin kung may sale by mga birds once we register or we create new account. So this will be our my second account for Coinbirds. So kung gusto nyo magkaroon ng sariling self-referral, so pwede nyo siguro try yung VPN, pero kasi parang nakakatakot. So at least ito is mobile data yung gagamitin nyo, or maki-internet kayo sa iba to get unique IP address. Kasi nga diba, pag may unique IP address, you will get 250 gold coins. So yun lang naman yung magiging makuha nga, at least pandagdag nyo. So paano ba gawin si Coinbirds? So stay tuned until the end of this video para mas maintindihan nyo ang aking paliwanag. So this will be the clean tutorial for you guys. So wag nyo na lang pansinin yung unang video ko. So kung bago lang kayo sa aking YouTube channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and hit the notification bell para lagi kayo updated sa aking mga latest video. So paano ba mag-earn kay Coinbirds? So of course, you need to buy birds, and then second, you need to store the eggs sa warehouse and then collect them. Pag na-collect nyo, you can sell them, and then fourth, it is optional lang naman siya guys. Pwede kayo mag-invite ng friends, and then kapag kung natagalan sila, and then kung naglagay sila ng money here, nag-add funds sila, you will get of course, you will get money from them. So parang ganon. So referral bonus for you guys. But yun nga, supposed to start up, makakakuha kayo ng green bird plus 300 gold coins as a gift. So yung 300 gold coins pa rin yung pambili ng birds. For me, kung mag-iipon kayo ng birds ng coins, mas okay na pambili nyo siya ng birds before nyo i-withdraw yun. So pwede naman siya hatiin dito, yung makakuha yung pag-sell nyo ng eggs to make it gold. So pwede nyo siyang gawing 50-50 or 70-30, so mga ganyan. So ayan, so meron daw silang current sale about this one. So siguro kapag try natin, mag-create tayo, so check natin kung sale sila sa umpisa, kasi ganun yung nangyari sa akin nung una. So kailangan yung i-type yung username, email, password, repeat password, your currency, either euro or Arabian, and then here choose kung sa Philippines kayo, Philippines. Kung nasaan naman kayong country, pwede naman siya, meron naman yan for sure. Here halos lahat naman meron dito kay Coinbirds. So popost muna natin. So ayan, nakakreate na tayo ng new account. So hindi natin masyado maliit. So ayan, we boldly declare to our project is stable and always fulfill its commitment. So here, ang ano naman kasi is Euro or Russian, Arab, yung nila currency. Before, meron silang USD. So meron naman here na guide once na nag-create kayo ng account. So you can buy birds there. Then nakita nyo naman sa gilid. So ayan, meron silang, ayan. So meron nga silang 20% off pag nag-create kayo ng account, of course. So yan, instead of 35, 28 nyo na lang mabibili. So ayan, select one. kung magbibili kayo ng birds, and then lahat ng eggs ay mapupunta sa eggs warehouse nyo, and then you can, ayan, nandyan din naman for egg selling kung mag-sell kayo ng eggs, even though na iba-iba silang color, iba-iba silang kulay, pero yung pagbibenta ng eggs is 100 ano pa rin naman, 100 gold coins. So depende na lang kasi yan sa pag-produce nila ng mga eggs per hour. So ayan, so mayroon naman here na guide or tutorial kapag nag-start kayo. So isasabihin nila kung saan nyo makikita yung mga dapat nyong gawin. So ayan, and then meron dito every so ano na to, 1 day lang yung kanilang sale. So hindi ko alam kung kailan sila mag-sale. So I think siguro mga holidays yan for sure, but yun nga, may daily bonus, and daily bonus nila you can go back every 12 hours 10 to 100. So mas mapapabili, as you can see, 88 gold coins. So every 12 hours kung makakuha kayo ng 100 to 100, so magiging 200 gold coins per day bukod sa inyong pag-in-back ng mga eggs. So, pumunta lang kayo kay Eggs Warehouse. As you can see, meron kayong free na green birds. So, meron 5 eggs per hour. And then, pag beige is 1 eggs per hour. So, you can click the collect them. Pagka-collect nyo ng eggs, punta kayo kay egg selling. So, click nyo kay egg selling. And then, as you can see, 100 eggs is equal to 1 gold. So yun, so kahit anong color yan, 1 gold is equivalent to 100 eggs. So kailangan lang mag-ipon ng 100 eggs para makakuha kayo ng 1 gold. And then for kung mag-withdraw kayo sa funds, ayun nga, I'm so sorry again, akala ko kasi hindi ko naman sinasabi ko ba na mas mababa si PayPal. Sinasabi ko lang is maraming pwede kayong pagpipilian here, and then mas mababa si Payeer kasi it's 5% lang yung kanyang withdrawal fee, and then si PayPal mas mataas si PayPal, it's 7%. So, yun nga, may nag-correct sa akin. I can't remember kung nasabi kong mas mababa si PayPal. Pero si Web Money, pinakamababa, I think it's 3%. So, pag-aaralan ko si Web Money. So, gagawa rin ako ng account kay Web Money. So, I will post another video for this one kay Web Money. Kasi 3% lang siya, so mas mababa. So, kung pa pwede natin i-transfer si Web Money to our main account here sa Philippines, diba? So mas okay, so we will see about it. And then meron silang USD, pero wala silang euro kay Web Money, so may naka USD siya. So check natin kung even kay PayPal, ayan, so depende na lang din sa pipiliin nyo for withdrawal, kung PayPal ba, Payeer. So depende rin kung meron silang euro, USD or RAB. So kay Web Money is USD siya, mas okay. Kay Payeer meron din naman din siyang, I think naka euro ta rin, yeah, so euro pa din. So minimum is 457 gold bars yung pero kapag naka USD kailangan yun ng 378 gold bars. So 0.04 lang siya, guys. So yun nga, 0.04 lang siya kapag 457 gold bars yung inyo papalitan, di ba? So, ganun lang naman siya, guys. Ganun lang naman siya kung paano kumita here. So, as I've said before, hindi nyo siya pwedeng gawing main income kasi nga matagal talaga unless na maglalagay talaga kayo ng magre-replenish kayo, mag-a-add kayo ng funds here. So nakaano naman sila lagi. Actually, even sa main account ko, nagbibigay sila ng discount for this one. Pero yun nga, in my opinion, I don't recommend na maglagay kayo kasi it's for free. Mayroon naman silang for free. Pero yun nga, yun naman din siya time consuming dahil pwede mo kayo bumalik every 12 hours. In 12 hours, you can sell your eggs, you can collect your eggs, diba? So, ganun lang naman din siya, guys, and para makakuha ng daily bonus. So yun, kung magre-refer kayo, as you can see, every unique IP address you will get 250 gold coins. Medyo babaga lang si yung aking mobile data, as ayan. So 250 every unique IP address, and then kapag for your first level, you'll get 20% kapag nag-replenish siya. So, yung kung magkano yung kanyang replenish. So yun nga, dun kayo kukuha ng 20%, and then second, third to fourth, so 10, 5, 1 respectively. So ayan, so ganun lang din naman siya. So ito yung inyong English version and your Russian version kapag kayo ay mag-i-invite ng inyong friends. So kung ako sa inyo, guys, okay naman din siya, at least wala naman kayo ilalabas, so di naman din siya time consuming, pero yun nga, matagal nga lang talaga to. So for me, yung maipon yung funds muna is pambili mo muna ng birds, especially meron silang, ito yung gusto kong makuha, yung unknown species, kasi kay unknown species very rare. There are rumors that it produce money directly to the wallet. To access it, you need to have at least 1 red bird. So ito, so it's 100 actually. Kung kaya meron na kayo kagad nga dun maabutan nyo yung sale, 120,000 gold coins siya. Pero kung hindi, you need to mag-ipon ng 150,000 gold coins. Pero maganda rin naman kasi siya, productivity niya is 7,230 per hour. So mga 72 gold coins per per hour yung makukuha niya. So mas mapabilis kayo. So ayan, at yun yung gusto ko, so makuha. So ito yung pinag-iipunan ko, guys. So okay rin naman si Coinbird. So matagal na itong website na to, and then until now ay marami pa naman ako nakakita nakapag-withdraw. So it's up to you, guys. Kung kapag nag-invest kayo, it's very high risk kasi we don't know, diba, kung until when yung may mga nag-invest kayo. So it's very high risk. So pag-isipan nyo na mabuti yan, guys. So kung may free naman, mas okay na gamitin nyo yung free kesa gumastos kayo ng money. So yun naman. Ang maganda naman dito, it's not time consuming kasi saglit nyo lang naman siya. Every 12 hours you can go back. Yun lang naman siya. Every 12 hours. So pwede nyo siyang gawin saglit lang. So I think 2 to 3 minutes pwede na siya, dahil kukuha lang kayo ng daily coins, and then magko-collect lang kayo sa eggs nyo sa inyong warehouse, and then to sell. So ganyan yung mangyayari. So pag kinolet nyo siya is 1, so makikita nyo here kung ilan na yung inyong eggs. So even though kahit iba-iba silang color, same pa rin naman yung kanilang value kapag papalitan nyo siya into gold coins. And then ayan, so as you can see, wala pa naman tayong withdraw funds, so pwedeng yung ayusin yan. So sa account setting, so ayan, yung currency naman, new account currency, may USD, may Euro naman siya, guys. So yun, so you can also activate at Google Authenticator for second security. So ayan, you can calculate your income. So I think may nagtatanong nga kung ilang eggs. I think super dami na kailangan yung eggs. So may nag-comment na 1 billion. I think mga ganun siguro yung kailangan yung maipon para doon sa kung mag-withdraw kayo. So pwede rin kayong mag-swap guys here. Kanyari na hati kasi yung pag di ba pagbenta niyo ng gold coin, so nahati siya sa withdrawal and then through your purchase. So kung gusto niyo lahat is mapunta sa pag-purchase, pwede niyo siya i-swap. Yung sa withdrawal niyo is minimum 100 gold coins so punta sa for purchase. So magkakaroon kayo ng plus 20%. So instead of 100 lang makuha nyo is magkakaroon kayo ng additional na 20 gold coins. So 120 siya in total. So mas okay para at least makabili kayo ng more birds, more eggs, more coins, diba? More selling, diba? So ganun lang siya guys. So for me, kung beginners kayo, mas tuunan nyo muna ng pansin is yung pagbili ng mga birds. Kasi the more na marami kayo na birds, mas marami kayong makukuhang gold coins. And of course, the eggs as well. So, ako kasi in-aim ko is yun nga, yung matataas talaga. Instead of kaya puro beige, green, syempre gusto ko na i-collect yung magkaroon ng yellow, ng brown, ng blue. But yun nga, check natin yung red para makuha tayo ng unknown species kasi para maka-access yan. So makikita natin kung ano bang meron here, kung magkano ba, kung bibilin ba rin natin si unknown species. So yun, para ma-access siya. And then kapag na-access siya, so pag na-meet ko na yon, requirements na yon, I will update you guys. I will post another video about it and then check natin kung okay ba yung unknown species na yon. So yun lang guys. So medyo matagal lang talaga to. Yun lang kayong cons, and then di siya pwedeng gawing your main income unless marami na talagang kayong birds na nagproduce ng eggs and nasasell nyo, and then nami-meet nyo yung minimum withdrawal amount. So ganun lang siya guys. So, ganoon lang siya kadali. So, okay naman siya for free. So, try nyo lang siya, guys. So, wala na mawawala. So, that's it, guys. So, thank you so much. Kung bago lang kayo sa aking YouTube channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and hit the notification bell para lagi kayong updated sa aking mga latest videos. Goodbye. Until next time.